Hello, everyone. It's me again, Dr. Aaron Ogunjemini from Aaron's Global Capital. Today, we are going to discuss some common mistakes people make with their credit score and how we can help you rebuild and repair your credit score in the right way. Many people has messed up their credit score, and due to this, they are unable to be approved for for a loan, maybe car loan or mortgage loan or credit card loan. But don't worry, we get you. We will help you and rebuild your credit, and you will get back on your feet. Um, One of the mistakes that many people makes on their credit report is ignore errors on their credit report. Many people never check their reports, and yet over 70% of report contains errors that can drop your credit score. Wrong addresses, duplicate accounts, incorrect balances, even accounts that don't belong to you can also affect your credit score. Some people they don't even know that some accounts that don't belong to them appears on their credit score. But Aaron's Global Capital will help you look into this. We're able to negotiate with the lenders, and we will help you to remove unnecessary reports on your account. We help you. We also will help you to pull your full credit report, identify every errors, and begin the dispute process properly in a legal way. And number two, late payment. Even one late payment can hurt your credit score up to 7 years. Lives happen, but the credit bureau don't forgive easily. We help you to negotiate with creditors, set up payment strategies, and remove inaccurate late payment where possible. Three, high credit card utilization. Maxing out your card even when you pay on time can drop your credit score significantly. Ideally, you should keep usage under 30% of your available credit. Aaron Global will teach you how to manage utilization, increase your available credit, and boost your score faster. Number four mistake, closing old account. Some people close old credit card thinking it will help them, but your credit age is a major part of your score, and closing accounts can actually make things worse for you. We will guide you on which account to keep open, which to close, and how to rebuild a healthy credit report. The last one, applying for too many loans or credit cards. Every application creates a hard inquiry, which lower your credit score. Too many inquiries too fast can signal risks to lenders. At Terrace Global Capital, we will help you to understand when to apply, how often, and which lender are mostly likely to approve you. How Aaron Global help you repair your credit? At Aaron Global Capital, we repair credit. We don't just dispute items. We provide a complete credit restoration and financial recovery plan, including pulling and analyze all three credit bureau reports, disputing inaccurate, outdated, or unverifiable items, creating a personalized credit rebuilding strategy, helping you negotiate or settle account in smart way, teaching you credit habit that grows your score long time, and monthly progress tracking and coaching. We don't just fix your credit. We give you tools to transform your financial future. If your credit score is stopping you from getting a home, car, loan, or business funding, you don't have to deal with it alone. Contact us at Aaron Global Capital. Let's rebuild your credit. You can reach out to us at www.aaronsglobalcapital.com or support@aaronsglobalcapital.com, or call this number 412-277-4884. Let's build your credit, restore your confidence, and unlock your opportunity. If you find this video valuable and would like to access more helpful information, we invite you to follow us on our social media platform. Simply search for Aarons Global LLC on your YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Be sure to like our page and follow us to stay updated with the latest tips and guidance. We look forward to connect with you. Again. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.